So firstly go to file, then click on new. We have this width 1366, height 768, resolution 72 I want. Click on OK. And two mandatory step is there. One, I want to choose my gray tone for my background. So you can randomly choose a gray tone like AC, and AC is the color I want for my background. Now fill it with this color, and for my text color I will choose firstly I will choose this same color, and on to the below of this color I will choose this dark gray tone. Now click on OK. Choose this text tool. Now put your text here. AC, I want to put it here. That's very fine. Okay, now select both layers. Now go to this move tool, make it align horizontal as well as vertical. Now control 0 to fit it on screen. Okay, now make another copy of this text by pressing Ctrl J. Now hide this. Right click on any one of this text layer. Go to new 3D extrusion from selected layer. Now click on OK. Now you don't need to have to do nothing, and just directly go to layers. Then this background I want to change it to postcard. Right click on there, then we have this postcard. Okay, now we have three layers. I will show you. This is my text layer 3D, this is my background, and this is my text already that I have make it hidden. Okay, now select both layers, control click on there, control click on this layer, and you will have the selection. Now control E to merge both layers. Okay, now go to 3D again, double click on this environment. In environment we have intensity. Many of the visitors they want how to work with the light. So here's the tool intensity. Now intensity means light, so I will put it to about 165. Shadow I want about 28, 29. That's fine. Now just go to 3D and click on render. Now it will take around 5 to 6 minutes to render. So we are ready with the text, 3D text. Now again go to layer. Now this is my 3D layer. Right click on there, then click on rasterize 3D. Now we have two layers. One is hidden inactive layer, one is 3D layer. Okay, now active this layer, this text. Now press Ctrl T to transform it. So I will match it with the text. Now it requires a practice to make it match with the 3D. That's very fine. Now choose move tool and you can move it to any direction. Okay, that's fine. Now this is very accurate. Now fill I want 0 for this. Right click on there, go to blending options. Firstly I will try this blending gradient overlay, and reverse the angle I mean, and set its blend mode to soft light. And even you can try this overlay. I think soft light is working better. That's fine. I want this. Now go to this bevel and increase the depth of this bevel, and increase the opacity for white particularly, like this. And even you can change the angle. That's very fine. opacity for black I want about 20 is fine. Just click on there. This is before and this is after. So this is before and this is after. We have this background layer. Now make another copy by pressing Ctrl J. Right click on there, go to blending options, gradient overlay. I want soft light. I will try soft light firstly, inverse it. Again invert, try to inverse it. Just reduce the opacity. So this is before and this is after. Again this is before and after. Again right click on there and I will do some changes. Now click on OK. We are ready with the text. Okay, now again make a copy by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E to merge all layers. I will put some special effect to this. Just go to filter and we have this camera raw. Firstly go to this sharpness. I want to reduce the noise, so I want very sleek, and increase its sharpness. That's looking awesome. And I will play with the setting of this. That's looking very fine. Okay, this is before and this is after. Now click on OK. This is before and this is after. Just with few seconds I got this. Again make a new layer on there and choose any color from there, like this. I have choose this color gray, and choose your brush, hit once on there and set its blend mode to color dodge. Control T to transform it something like this I want. Okay, reduce its opacity. I will try to put it there. Okay, I want it here. Again make a new layer, choose your brush, hit once on there, set its blend mode to linear dodge. I will try, that's fine. Control T, make it large. I want a light source that is coming from outside, looking like that, something like this. You can see in the screen. Suppose light is coming from this side. Even you can make it small. Okay, This is the text, we got it. And final, it is depend on you what color you want for this particular text. If you want any color, just go there and choose color balance. Now just play with the settings like this. You got this. So I hope you got idea to make this 3D design by your own creation. So please subscribe our channel. You can follow us. Even we have blog now. If you want to learn about photography and if you want to see some images, amazing images, you can access our blog. So thank you friends. Keep watching Harun's Creation.